So I bet you can't guess where I've been. No, you'll never guess. Not even close. So for those of you who've done my vision board business training, you will know that one of my things on my vision board, and it's been on there for a good few years, was to go to New York to see Billy Joel at Madison Square Gardens. And I've done it. I can't believe it. It was an amazing trip. So let me show you what went on.
weather. This isn't sunshine.
just something a little different this week from Conquer Crochet. I was just so excited to share with you that I'd actually managed to get one of my dreams ticked off my bucket list, and fabulous trip. If you ever get a chance to go to New York, go. Although maybe don't go in the summer because it was really, really hot. I was really surprised how humid it was there. But it was definitely worth the 8-hour flight to get there. Would I go back to New York? Definitely. There were so many things that we didn't get a chance to see because we were so busy doing one thing, and then by the time we got back we were really tired and didn't necessarily want to go off and do something major again. So there were lots of things we didn't tick off. I think we got sort of the main ones, where there were lots of little things that I really wanted to go and see that I didn't get a chance to. Lots of places that are mentioned in Billy Joel's songs that I would like to go and go, oh yeah, that's the such and such. And I also wanted to go and see the building where they filmed Ghostbusters, because I had my little Ghostbuster ghost with me. So I'm going to have to take him with me next time. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this quick vlog with just a smidge of a crochet theme to it. Little tenuous, I know, but I really wanted to show you the fun that we had when we went to New York. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps other crocheters to find the channel and to help our community grow and grow. I popped 2 videos on screen to help you on your crochet journey, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!